EV battery preconditioning. The secret. Your car isn't telling you why your EV battery is a drama queen. EV batteries hate extremes. Too cold, charging slows. Too hot, performance drops. Preconditioning solves this by warming or cooling your battery before you drive or charge, keeping it in its Goldilocks zone. How to train your EV like a pro. Use your car's app, Tesla, Kia, Porsche Taycan, to schedule preconditioning. Smart EVs automate it using your GPS or habits. No automation? Sync it with your calendar or weather app. 3 times, you'll thank yourself. Frosty mornings, defrost windows, and prep the battery in one go. Charging sessions. Preconditioned batteries charge 50% faster. Heat waves. Cool the battery to avoid meltdowns. The cost of skipping preconditioning, and you lose. Range. Up to 30% less in extreme temps. Money. Faster battery wear equals costly replacements. Time. Longer charging waits. Your 10-second game plan. Open your EV's app. Find preconditioning settings, set a daily schedule, or trigger it remotely. Done. Final takeaway. Preconditioning equals longer battery life, faster charging, and fewer headaches. Your EV's secret weapon, now it's yours. For more detail, visit evbatterycentral.com.